बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मुस्लिम स्ट्रगल इन ब्रिटिश इंडिया 6489 कोड के साथ डॉक्टर समीना यास्मीन। सेकेंड यूनिट स्टार्ट करते हैं, बिहेवियर ऑफ हिंदूज टुवर्ड्स मुस्लिम्स। इन दिस यूनिट you will learn about the behavior of Hindus towards Muslims, which was based on antagonistic approach. Hindus and Muslims were the two major communities in the subcontinent which has divergence in religion, politics, culture, social and economic spheres. The unit describes all these differences and Muslim choice to demand a separate homeland for the reason to defend their separate identity. In the last, this unit will explain the Urdu-Hindi controversy in 1867 and Hindu extremist movements emerged in order to hail the spread of Islam. Now we see the objectives of the unit. After studying this unit, the students will be able to answer the causes of Hindus' agitation against Muslims, explain the Hindu-Muslim clashes in political, social, economic and religious spheres, describe about the formation of All India National Congress and its biased attitude towards Muslims, elucidate Urdu-Hindi controversy between Hindus and Muslims and Hindu extremist movements. Now we see Hindu-Muslim relations in India. Hindu-Muslim relations in British India were influenced by historical, religious, cultural and political differences. Muslims believed that in a democratic system dominated by the Hindu majority, their identity, political rights and cultural values would be marginalized. This fear of majority domination became stronger during the late 19th and early 20th century. As a result, Muslims increasingly demand constitutional safeguards and eventually a separate homeland. सोशियो कल्चरल डिफरेंसेस क्या थे? सबसे मेन कॉज जो थी वो सोशियो कल्चरल और रिलीजियस डिफरेंसेस थे। सोशियो कल्चरल डिफरेंसेस को अगर हम देखें तो हिंदूज एंड मुस्लिम्स फॉलोड डिस्टिंक्ट कस्टम्स, ट्रेडिशंस एंड द वेज ऑफ लाइफ. देयर रिलीजियस प्रैक्टिसेस differed in matters such as marriage, dietary laws, burial rituals and worship. Muslims followed Islamic principles based on monotheism. एक अल्लाह पे बिलीव करते थे, while Hinduism involved multiple deities and caste traditions. These differences created strong communal boundaries and reduced possibilities of complete social integration. Economic and educational differences. After the War of Independence in 1857, Muslims suffered major economic decline due to British distrust and loss of political influence. Many Muslims were removed from administrative and military positions previously available to them. Hindus, on the other hand, adopted Western education more rapidly and gained access to government employment and business opportunities. This widened the socio-economic gap between the two communities. Political differences and Urdu-Hindi controversy. Let's see first political differences. Political tension between Hindus and Muslims became visible during the Urdu-Hindi controversy of 1867. Hindu leaders demanded replacement of Urdu with Hindi in courts and official administration. Muslims strongly opposed this demand because Urdu was closely linked with their literature, culture and identity. This controversy convinced Sir Syed Ahmad Khan that Hindus and Muslims had separate political interests and could not easily unite under one political system. Formation of Indian National Congress. The Indian National Congress was established in 1885 by A.O. Hume as a political platform for Indians to communicate their demands to the British government. Although Congress claimed national representation, many Muslims believed it mainly reflected Hindus' interests. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan advised Muslims to avoid Congress politics and instead focus on education and social reforms to improve their condition. Formation of All India Muslim League, 1906. The All India Muslim League was founded in Dhaka in 1906 to safeguard Muslims' political rights and interests. It aimed to protect Muslim representation in legislatures, secure separate electorates, and maintain loyalty with the British where politically beneficial. The League later became the principal political organization representing Muslim aspirations in India. Congress policies and the Muslim concerns. Several Congress backed cultural and educational policies caused concern amongst Muslims. Practices such as compulsory singing of Vande Mataram, implementation of Varda scheme, and promotion of Hindi were viewed as symbols of Hindu nationalism. Muslims believed these policies undermined their language, religion, and distinct cultural traditions. Now we see 1937 Congress rule, जो 2 साल तक पर मुहित था. After the provincial elections of 1937, Congress formed governments in several provinces under the Government of India Act 1935. Many Muslims accused Congress ministries of discriminatory treatment, cultural suppression, and neglect of Muslim concerns. Reports such as the Pirpur Report and Sharif Report documented alleged Muslim grievances during this period. Muslim League's response under Jinnah. Under Jinnah, the Muslim League became more organized and politically active. Jinnah strongly criticized Congress rule and argued that Muslims were a separate nation with distinct political interests. He mobilized Muslims under the League and strengthened demands for constitutional safeguards and political autonomy. Under Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Muslim League became more organized and politically active. Jinnah strongly criticized Congress rule and argued the Muslims were a separate nation with distinct political interests. He mobilized Muslims under the League and strengthened demands for the constitutional safeguard and political autonomy. Day of Deliverance, 1939. When Congress ministers resigned in 1939 after disagreement with the British over World War II, Jinnah announced 22nd December 1939 as a day of deliverance. Muslims observed the day as relief from the Congress administration and thanked Allah for freedom from what they considered discriminatory rule. This event further deepened the political divide between Congress and the Muslim League. उर्दू हिंदी कंट्रोवर्सी जो थी ये मेन इवेंट था हिंदुओं और मुसलमानों के दरमियान. उर्दू हिंदी कंट्रोवर्सी was not merely a language issue but also a political and cultural struggle. Hindus promoted Hindi in Devanagari script as a symbol of Hindi identity, while Muslims defended Urdu as a part of their intellectual and literary heritage. This conflict highlighted growing communal consciousness and strengthened Muslim demands for cultural protection. Movements such as Shudi, Sangthan, and other Hindi revivalist movements alarmed Muslims. These movements aimed at reconversion, social consolidation, and strengthening Hindu society. Muslims interpreted these efforts as threats to their religious identity and community survival, which intensified demands for separate political arrangements. Hindu-Muslim differences in religious beliefs, cultural traditions, political representation, language, and economic interests played a major role in shaping Indian policies, Indian politics under British rule. Events such as Urdu-Hindi controversy, Congress rule, and the communal movements increased Muslim fears of marginalization. These developments strengthened the Muslim League, promoted the two-nation theory, and ultimately contributed to the demand for Pakistan as a separate homeland for Muslims. This is the end of our second unit. Students, if you find any query, any problem, you can write in comment box, and if you don't find your answer there, you can directly contact to the department for your guidance. Teachers are always there to help you. Thank you.